Hello, my name is Jean and I've been gardening here in Edinburgh for over 50 years. And this is my trusty helper Tosh. He likes to supervise what's going on in the garden, but he does like to be part of the filming process, and so you'll probably see him popping up from time to time. I love gardening, but even by my standards this was a bit of a challenge. This garden was a wilderness when I moved here 35 years ago. It was like my bit of the field next to it, with a tumble-down post and wire fence around it. No houses surrounding it, no trees, so no shelter from the rather fierce winds. Always ready for a challenge, I had the great fun of designing and creating a garden from scratch. Bit by bit I tamed it, cleared the weeds, laid the lawn, built a trellis, installed water features, and planted and planted and planted. Incredibly hard work, and I wouldn't like to do it again, but enormously rewarding. Gardens are dynamic, and as the years have gone by, I have continued to make changes and improvements. And that will continue because that's the nature of gardening. Because I've been gardening for such a long time, people often ask my advice about things like pruning, or what to plant in a certain place, or weed control. The list is endless. I've made loads of mistakes along the way. I've bought plants that were unsuitable for this Scottish climate, or I just haven't known how to look after things properly. But you learn from your mistakes, and over the next few months I plan to make a few videos that will hopefully help to sort out some of your gardening problems. So if you think this might be useful to you, subscribe to my channel, and when the videos are uploaded, you'll see them. So, happy gardening from Tosh and me.